So today practical is the steam distillation of separation of turpentine oil. This is the engineering practical, and the aim of the experiment is to separate the turpentine oil from water turpentine oil mixture by steam distillation process. The apparatus required is steam generator, glass condenser, three-way round bottom flask, safety tube, receiving adapter, thermometer, receiver, separating funnel, electric balance, etc. The chemicals required are turpentine oil and distilled water. This is the chemical turpentine oil. This is the apparatus required, the steam generator containing thermometer and one safety tube. Then this is the round bottom flask, three-way. This is the condenser. This is the bowel or conical flask. Then this is the burner. Two burners are required for this experiment. Now the turpentine oil was taken in a measuring cylinder, then it was poured in this way to the round bottom flask. Now the turpentine oil was poured. Now it will be boiled by taking a burner, gas burner. Now it was heated, the turpentine oil was heated, and its boiling point was determined through a thermometer. It is placed in this way in the round bottom flask. दूसरा दबार जाए तो डोरी किनारे फटी गया ना बोले now the turpentine oil was cooled in the environment. After that we have to pour the water into the round bottom flask. This is the water of about 30 ml. We have to mix this water in the turpentine oil present in the round bottom flask. Now the water, 30 ml water will be mixed in the round bottom flask, and again 30 ml of water will be mixed in the round bottom flask containing turpentine oil. Again, both the round bottom flask and the steam generator will be heated. Now both the round bottom flask and the steam generator were heated. Then the temperature of the mixture of turpentine oil and water will be measured in a thermometer. Now the mixture was boiled and the temperature of the mixture will be noted in a thermometer, and then start the practical by opening this screw by allowing the steam into the round bottom flask. Here the mixture of turpentine oil and water will be collecting in this way. Now the mixture of turpentine oil and water collecting will be separated in a separating funnel. This is the separating funnel. So we have taken the mixture of turpentine oil and water in this separating funnel. Now we are going to separate by opening this knob. Now this is the two layer. On the upper part turpentine oil is present and in the lower part water is present. So now we have separated the water part. Again we are going to separate the oil part. This is the water part and this is the turpentine oil. Now we have separated the turpentine oil. This is the turpentine oil and this is the water part, and the recovery ratio will be determined by following the observation part. This is the observation part. This is the boiling temperature of turpentine oil. We have already measured this. Then the boiling temperature of mixture, we have measured this. Then the boiling temperature of turpentine oil by simple distillation, we have also measured this. Then the boiling point of mixture of turpentine oil and water, we have also measured this. Then the weight of water obtained, W1. The water obtained will be weighed in the weighing machine. Then the weight of turpentine oil obtained, we have already weighed both water and turpentine oil on a weighing machine. Then the theoretical recovery ratio of turpentine oil to water was determined, that is 1:32:1. Then the practical recovery ratio of turpentine oil to water will be determined by comparing this theoretical ratio. We have also determined this. Then the calculation part, the percent efficiency of steam distillation is equal to practical recovery ratio by practical recovery ratio by theoretical recovery ratio into 100. By putting this formula, the percent efficiency of steam distillation was determined, and the report will be like this. During steam distillation, temperature at boiling of mixture is this, less than the boiling point of turpentine oil. The practical recovery of turpentine oil is this, and the percent efficiency of steam distillation for turpentine oil water mixture is this. Now we have finished the practical.